Hi, good morning students. Today we are going to see about the Unit 3 Money. We already completed the Unit 1 and 2. In our last class, we learned about the skip counting 2's and skip counting 3's and missing numbers, forward counting, backward counting, okay, and 2's forward skip counting and 3's forward skip counting, 2's backward skip counting and 3's backward skip counting, and complete the number chart from number 1 to 99, okay, and complete the pattern. Now in this class we are going to see about the Unit 3 Money. Okay ma, shall we move to the class ma? Okay, they are giving some keywords. Keywords, coin, currency. Now in this class we are going to see about learn about the coin. We are using the coins and currency no in day-to-day life. Okay, isn't it no? So that only we are going to learn about here. Okay, travel truth. Now look at this picture. Here giving one stationery shop, isn't it no? In this stationery shops we are what are the things are available here ma? Yes, pen, pencil, eraser, globe, notebooks, pad, exam pads and files, okay, etc. Isn't it no? Okay, below they are asking some questions. Now observe this ma. What are the items do you see in the stationery shop? In the stationery shop, how many items are available ma? Yes, pen, pencil, eraser, globe. So write here answer. Okay? Okay ma. Now write the answer below ma. First question answer, pen, pencil, eraser, notebooks, globe. This is a globe. Okay mama? Globe, etc. Okay, there are many things now, but this things is enough and putting finally etc. Okay, next second question is, what is your favorite items in the shop? For me in this shops the favorite item is globe. Okay, so I am writing globe here. Second one, put second question answer globe. Okay, but for you which is a favorite items? For example, your favorite item is notebook means please write the notebook here. Okay. Third question, in order to buy your favorite items from the shop. Okay. For example, your favorite item is notebook means you want to buy from the shop. Isn't it no? Okay. You buy it and you want to give. You want to need to buy what ma? Yes. You need money no? So I need a money. So write M-O-N-E-Y money. Okay, well, what do you need to buy to the shopkeeper? We need to give money to the shopkeeper. No. So write the money here. Understand? So I am writing 3 question answers here. Now take page number 37. Learn the exiting coins and currency notes in India. In our India, we are using coins and currency note, isn't it no? The below they are giving the coins and currency notes and their value. First one, yes, this is a 1 rupee coin. This is 1 rupee currency note. Okay, and its value is rupee 1. Okay va? The second one is, this is 2 rupee. This is 2 rupee coin. This is 2 rupee currency note. Its value is rupee 2. Okay, the third one, 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee currency note and its value is rupees 5. Okay va? 10 rupee coin, 10 rupee currency notes, its value is rupees 10. Okay, for 20 rupees there is no coin. Okay va? There is no coin for rupees 20. So it's leave it ma. Here giving only 20 rupees currency notes, its value is rupees 20. Okay va? The same valued coins and currency notes make no difference. This both are same no. For example, we taking 10 rupees means the 10 rupee coin also same, the 10 rupee currency note also same, both having the same value only. Okay, that only giving here. No more. This is a symbol. Okay, this is a symbol for rupees in currency, in Indian currency. Okay, well, this is a rupees symbol. How to draw this means, okay, this is a symbol for rupee. Okay, va? Now take the next page, page number 38. Practice. Tick the correct coin or currency note of the object. Now here giving the object and its value also here giving ma. Now we want to tick the correct coins for this object. Okay, the first question is balloon. Its value is rupees 1. Okay, va? Now there are 4 options giving ma. Now where is the 1 rupee coin? Yes, here. So tick this. Okay, that's all. Now whistle. Okay, its value is rupees 2. Okay, now where is 2 rupee? Yes, third one. So tick this. Now next one. Its value is rupees 5. Now where is the 5 rupee? Where is the 5 rupee ma? There is no coin. So observe the currency note. The first one is 10 rupee, 2 rupee, and this is 1 rupee. Yes, this is a 5 rupee note, currency note. So tick here. Okay, next. This is rupees 10. Its value is rupees 10. Na? So where is the 10 rupee? Yes, here having 10 rupee currency note. So tick here. Understood? So next, its value is 20 rupees. Okay, now where is the 20 rupees currency note? Here. So tick this. Next step, rupees 10. Its value is rupees 10. Where is 10 rupee ma? Yes, here having 10 rupees currency 10 rupee coin. So tick here. Okay. So that's all ma. Understood? After finishing this, check your answers. Okay, va? Okay, now take the next page. It's here giving one activity. Trace the coin. Now we want to trace the coin, ma. Trace the coins and discuss what do you see in the traced images. Okay, va? Required material. We need which material, ma? We need coins, pencil, eraser and paper. Okay, va? Now the first question is rupee 1. Okay, now take the 1 rupee coin, ma. Yeah, this is a 1 rupee, yeah. So take the 1 rupee coin, ma. Every coin is having both sides, isn't it? No, 2 sides. It's one is head, another one is tail. Okay, va? Head side means the lion. The lion side is called what? Head. Okay, va? Then the back side is called tailed. Understand, ma? Now take the first 1 rupee coin, ma. First they are here asking head. Head means what? The lion. Okay? The lion. So keep the coin back to the page, ma. Here and give the color. Trace the coin. Understand? Okay, va? Here we want to trace the head side, and after finish tracing it means take the back side, ma. Now tail. Now keep here. Okay, and give the trace here. Here head, here tail. Same like that. 2 rupees also having both sides, isn't it? No. One is head. Head means the lion. The lion part is, yeah, this is a 2 rupee. 2 rupee. This one is a head. So keep this side back to the paper and trace here, head. And after taking next tail, so keep the coin here and do the trace. Same like that for 5 rupee coin. Understand? Okay, next. No more. Let us save. We save the money for which purpose? The first one for survival. Okay, va? And next one for our future use. Next one for service. To help to others. Isn't it? No. For several purpose we have to save the money. Okay, that only giving here. Next, take page number 40. Rupee 10 in different way. Rupee 10 in different way. We use the rupee 10 in different way. The first one, see how 1 rupee coin. The first one is 1 rupee coin. So we need how many 1 rupee coin for rupee 10 ma? Yes, we collect 10 1 rupee coins for rupees 10, isn't it? No. Now add. Now count the 1 rupee coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many 1 rupee coin ma? 10. So 1 plus 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 1 equal to how many? 10. Okay, we need 10 1 rupee coins for rupee 10. Okay, next we taking 2 rupee. Okay, we need how many 2 rupee coin for rupees 10 ma? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 1 rupee coins. Okay, we need 5 2 rupee coins for rupees 10. Understood, amma? That is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to rupees 10. Understand? 2 plus 2 what? 4. 4 plus 2 5 6. 6 next 6 plus 2 7 8. Next 8 plus 2 9 10. Totally 10 rupees coming. Okay, next third option is 5 rupee. Here taking 5 rupee. We need how many 5 rupee coin? 1 2. What? 5 plus 5 10 na? So 5 plus 10 equal to 10. So totally we need how many 5 rupees coin ma? 1 2. We need 2 5 rupees coins for rupees 10. Okay, next this coin also okay, currency note also okay. Okay, currency note means also 2 only. 2 currency 5 rupees note makes rupees 10. Understand? Coin, currency both are same value only. Okay, next 10 rupee coin means we need only one 10 rupee coin. Okay, we need only one coin. Same like that, coin and currency both are same value. So coin mean also okay, currency notes also it's okay. So we need only one currency note to make rupees 10. Understand? So 1 rupee coin means we need 10 1 rupees coins for rupees 10. 2 rupee coin means we need 5 2 rupees coins. Okay, for rupees 10. 5 rupees coin or currency means we need 2. We need 2 5 rupee coins to make rupees 5. Or we need 2 5 rupee currency note for rupees 10. Understand? Okay, understand, amma? Now, take the next page number 41. Match the object with its correct money value. Okay, here in left side they are giving the 4 objects and with their values. Okay, and opposite side in right side they are giving the option. Okay, first we add this all the coins. Okay, first line 10 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. 10 plus 2 what ma? 10 plus 2 10 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 10 after level 12. So 12 so right here. Now 12 plus 1 12 in a mind, 1 in a finger, 12 after 13. So 13 plus 1 13 in a mind, 1 in a finger, 13 after 14. Now this all the coins we add means how many rupees here having? Rupee, put the rupee symbol, then put 14. Understand? Okay, same like that we add the second option. Okay, first one is 2, next one is 1. So 2 plus 1 what ma? 2 in a mind, 1 in a finger, 2 after 3. Now here how many ma? 3 rupees here having. So equal to rupees 3. Now third option 5 2 1. So we add this 3 coins. Okay, well, first 5 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 5 after, 6, 7. So put the 7 here. Okay. Now 7 plus 1. 7 in a mind, 1 in a finger, 7 after, 8. Now here how many value having ma? 8. Now here 8 rupees having. Same like that. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. We add this 4 coin. Okay va? So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 yeah. So put the 3 here. Now 2 plus 3 what ma? 2 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 2 after, 3, 4, 5. Now here totally how many rupees having ma? 5 rupees. So equal to rupees 5. First write the correct value here. Then next finally we match the object with the correct value. Okay va? First banana 8 rupees. Okay va? Now where is the 8 rupees ma? Here, the third one. So match here. Understand? Next cucumber 5 rupees. Where is the 5 rupees? Here. So put the line. Next 14. Papaya 14 rupees. Where is the 14 rupees? The first option. So match here. Next gooseberries 3 rupees. Where is the 3 rupees? Here. Like this you want to match the objects. Understand amma? Now pleasure time. Same like that. Tick the required money to buy the object. Here giving the lot of monies, but we want to tick the required money only. Okay va? Here 20 rupees. This bag 20 rupees ma. Okay, first 10 rupees, 1 rupee, 10 rupee, 2 rupee. Which money we required ma? We need only 20 rupees, isn't it? No. So first 10 rupee. Next here one 10 rupee having. So 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 equal to what? 20 rupees. Okay, so we need one 10 rupee currency note and 10 rupee coin. So tick this. Next, this value is 12 rupees. So for 10 rupee, 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 2 rupee. Very good ma. First 10 rupee. Next 10 after say up to 12 ma. 10 after level 12. So 2. Where is the 2 rupee coin here? Here. So 10 plus 2 what? 10 plus 2 12. Okay va? Next its value is 7 rupee. So here look at this option ma. 5 2 2 1. Now which option we want to tick? Very good. 5 rupee and 2 rupee. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 5 after, 6, 7. Come it. So 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So take this 2 option. Understand amma? So up to this page, the third lesson is over ma. Your homework is complete the book exercise. If you have any doubt, ask to me. I will explain and clarify in your next class. Understand amma? So thank you.